Just listen to this crunch. And it's oven baked and not fried. Let's show you how me and Carre did this.
Stand tall, Carre.
What are we gonna do? We found the chicken. Okay, Carre, what's next?
When you looking at me today, tell me what do you see? Do you see the young me or do you see the real me? Things change and time changes everybody. If you're growing like me, welcome to the party. It's been a long.
Good job. Alright, so today we are going to make fried chicken, but in the oven and without the oil. And the special recipe that we have today is going to make sure that the chicken comes out really crispy. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to add our chicken that's pre-washed. We washed it already into our bowl. And then we're going to add our seasonings, which is garlic powder. Pour it in. Good. And some smoked paprika. And some kosher salt. Now, a secret ingredient in this recipe is 3 tablespoons of vodka. Now, vodka, when you're cooking with alcohol, it cooks in the heat. So you don't get drunk off whatever it is you're cooking. So we're gonna do 3 tablespoons. The Carre, go ahead and add that to the chicken. And then you're gonna mix it all together. So I don't know what happened to the recording, but you're gonna want your chicken to marinate for about 10 minutes. And then in a blender or food processor, put your chips and your breadcrumbs and blend it together, not too fine. You want it a little choppy, and that's gonna be your breading.
"11 minutes later."
Okay, so what you're going to want to do here is chicken, flour, egg, and crumb. You're going to take the marinated chicken, coat it in some flour, dip that into egg, and then have the breadcrumbs as the outer coat. And then in the egg, all of it, and then in our crumbs. And onto the tray. Preheat your oven to 360 degrees and let your chicken bake for 20 minutes. After your chicken has been baking for 20 minutes, you're going to want to take them out and turn them over, and then put them back in the oven for 15 more minutes until they're golden brown and the chicken is cooked through.
Town gang, hey, stand tall, Carre. I got you right. GA, stand tall, Carre. Stand tall, Carre. Let's go. In this rat world, you don't know who to trust. So many whack squads, ain't nothing like us. We all stand tall, wait falling for Jack. I might be standing out.
If you like cooking with Carre, go ahead and click the videos to watch more. You'll probably like our YouTube channel, so go ahead and subscribe. Do it!